Hey lovelies, what's popping? Welcome back to another video. It's your good friend Kish, and I hope you guys are doing great and having a great summer so far wherever you are. And speaking of summer, we know it's that time of year when families and friends come together. We have a barbecue, we throw stuff on the grill. But if you don't have a grill, then no problem. I'm going to be showing you how I made these tender, juicy, flavorful sliced beef short ribs. Don't they look good? If you think so, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Show your girl some love. Thank you. Let's get cooking. So first we start off with these chunky sliced beef short ribs. You could get these at your local supermarket, grocery store, butcher shop, wherever. And they're already washed with vinegar and lime, so they're all clean. And then I'm going in with a bit of mustard, just like we do for the pork ribs, just to hold the seasoning on to the meat. Remember, the mustard is for no particular flavor. And then I went in with some Cool Runnings jerk sauce for extra flavor. It has a bunch of herbs blended up in it. And then I went in with a blend of powder seasoning. You already know: garlic powder, onion powder, Tony's Creole, Slap Your Mama, all the good stuff. Garlic and herbs, I just mixed that all together and I poured it on the ribs. And we're just going to give that a nice massage and get the seasoning rubbed in on the meat. And I went back in with a bit more seasoning just because I thought it needed it. Season to your liking, whatever you think will work best for your meat, however you love it. And just like that, I'm going to set these to marinate for a while. Once marination is finished, I just went in with a tray and I put a rack in there and I put some parchment paper in the bottom just to catch extra grease and oil so that it doesn't exactly ruin the pan, because sometimes it can get stuck on there and ruins everything. So that's what the parchment paper is for. And then I sprayed it with some olive oil, and then I'm laying out the beef ribs on the rack, as you can see here. Once I get them all situated on the rack and they are ready to go into the oven, my oven is on 350 to 400 for about 45 minutes to an hour. And they come out looking like that. This is just the first stage. And they should almost be tender at this point and brown. Then I'm going in with some sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. I love this barbecue sauce, but you could use whichever barbecue sauce of your choice. And then this is smoking habanero barbecue sauce. This is a new one that I'm trying out. Let me tell you, it's hot and it's sweet. I think you're gonna like it if you're someone that likes hot and sweet stuff. Really good. I got that at my local grocery store. Also, if you're in Canada, you could check Canadian Superstore. That's where I got it from. And then I'm just going in with a brush and I'm just going to spread the sauce out all over the ribs. I decided to go in with a little bit more of that barbecue sauce, wherever it looks a little bit dry, you could just add some more. And once that side is finished, you're finished coating it with the sauce, then you're just going to flip the ribs over on the other side and show it the same love. Go back in with your barbecue sauce and pour it on there and get it all sorted out. Equal rights and justice. Same love and affection. Okay. And once that side is finished, you're gonna put these back in the oven for about another 20 minutes so the sauce can stick to them. Okay. And now it's all done. And look at that. It was absolutely delicious. The sauce was just on it, like it was made that way. And it was absolutely tender and flavorful. And we're just going to plate that. Aren't they looking beautiful? If you think so, and you're feeling hungry right now or drooling just by looking at it, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm hungry right now looking at this again, okay? And I already ate it. I ate it already. So let's go. And I just went ahead and sprinkled some parsley on that for pretty color, you know, just to jazz things up. And then after this, it's time for me to smash, as always. And I took out one of the nice fat piece, and I'm just showing you guys up close what it looks like. And I'm going in for the taste test. It was absolutely delicious, very flavorful, very tender, just a nice bite of ribs. If you guys can get your hands on some of these beef ribs, sliced beef short ribs, then definitely I hope you try this out. Give it a try at home. No grill, no problem. Do it in your oven and you get a nice meal for your family, for your friends, whatever you're doing. Until next time, you guys, take care. I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Peace out.